Hey you guys, hi. It's Mary White, the Cooking with Cannabis lady, and today it's all about the mocktails. My friends at Green Revolution do some wonderful stuff with tinctures, right? So, I want to show you how to make what I call lifted lemonade. Now I'm using a lemon-flavored fizzy water, slices of lemon for the glasses, and I've taken the glasses and dunked them in lemon juice because I want to show you the great thing about these tinctures. Now I've taken some of this Paradise tincture from my friends at Green Revolution, and I've infused sugar. Oh yes, I have. You guys, it's so easy. You just put some sugar or some salt or whatever on a baking sheet, right? Drop the tincture in as much as you want, put it in a 200-degree oven, not any hotter, and let it work for about half an hour. You break it up with a fork, and it's just regular sugar, only with added goodness. I have to get my glasses because my friends at Green Revolution, they make these WildSide shots, okay? Now this WildSide is lemon berry energy. So I want to have a good afternoon. I'm going to put this in there. Now again, this isn't about getting high, okay? There's just a small amount. There's 5 milligrams of CBD. There's 5 milligrams of THC because they work together. And there's 2 milligrams of CBG, the one that makes you really happy and stuff. But the great thing is because of that caffeine, it's wonderful. What I like to do is just dump it on in there. Okay. I use the whole thing, right? I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. And lemony goodness always needs sweetener. Now, you guys can use whatever you like, though honey is a little bit too thick. I like agave syrup because it does dissolve right away, and it's organic, and it has a real low glycemic index. So it's better than white sugar, let me just say that, okay? Now, hang on, we need ice cubes. Boom. Now, you've got your tincture, you've got all the good stuff in there. These you're gonna put in the infused sugar because you're cool like that, right? Ta-da! Isn't that cool? And then, because we're fancy, there you go. Lifted, delicious lemonade with the WildSide lemon berry energy. A guaranteed fabulous afternoon. Now I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful Bellini. I call this the better Bellini. A lot of these mocktails that I'm playing with, well, all of them actually, really are about these WildSide shots and these tinctures, because you can have a delicious beverage with a little bit of medicine in it and have a great day. Moosh up a cup of peach slices. Okay, I'm going to put them in the official Bellini pitcher. Ta-da, ta-da. There we go. Now this, depending on your peaches, kind of depends on how much sweetness you're going to need. So these, I'm going to give them a good shot of this agave syrup, maybe a tablespoon. So this is orange and mango, which should be interesting. In a Bellini, these are super low in calories. You know how when you can sometimes have an actual cocktail and the next day you gain 2 pounds? No, because we're looking at a little bit of fruit, a little bit of fizzy water, and some really, really nice tincture, and that's it, right? A little bit of sugar. And again, this is the sugar with a little bit of tincture in it. So you get a little bit more when you have your delicious beverage. Then, I'm gonna put those in there like that. Give it an official stir. With this, you're getting stuff that's actually good for you and that will make you feel better and make you basically a better human. Oh look, a little mint because we're fancy. Well, that's a little sad, but the idea, you guys, is this is actually very simple. You want to get fizzy water, some fruit that matches your fizzy water, some sort of delicious tincture in there, and some ice cubes, and you're good to go. So I'm going to have a Bellini now, and I'll see you in a minute. Oh, God, that's really good. So I wanted to show you what I've discovered that you can do with this really cool stuff from Green Revolution. I've been making up beverages to go with their WildSide shots, which are these, and these incredible tinctures. And I've come up with the Bloody Mary J. Or you could just call it the Bloody Mary. You've got V8, which is of course the Breakfast of Champions. Ta-da! I've infused some salt with a little bit of this tincture. And I would normally use it on the rims of the glasses, but I can't because of high blood pressure. But just so you know, this is a good option. Okay, so you got your basic tomato juice. Now, let's say it's Sunday afternoon. Oh, crap. Hang on. Pretend that didn't happen. So here you are, it's Sunday afternoon. Now, you don't want to get all frisky and energized, but at the same point, you don't want to fall asleep, right? What I really have liked is this, hang on, this one, the Paradise Tincture. Now, this glorious stuff is primarily an indica, so it's going to give you a little more relaxation, a little more calm, all those good things. And I'm thinking for that, Sunday afternoon, this just might be the way to go. Now, if you use the whole thing, it's 100 milligrams, so don't do that. But half a dropper will do you good. So a little dropper in there, and a little dropper in there. All right, a lot of people like a really spicy Bloody Mary. I am not one of them. But if you do, hot sauce. And not too much on that one, a little bit more on that one. A little bit of hot sauce, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, or Worcester, as my dad used to call it. 5 drops, I'm very fine. Okay. You're gonna wanna squeeze a lemon, because, this is tangy stuff. Sometimes if you do make these bloodies in a pitcher, don't put too much ice in, because that can kind of, water them down. Okay, so we've got tomato juice, tincture, spices, and then the obligatory decor, because you can't have a Bloody Mary without a decoration, right? And so there you go. This is a fabulous mocktail. This is going to make you feel good. It's going to give you some relaxation, some anti-inflammatory stuff. Again, you're not getting high. You're going to get well and feel really good while you're doing it. If you guys want more information about these products, I'm telling you, I'm so excited about Green Revolution. They're awesome. But Green Revolution, they're everywhere. And I am seriously recommending these tinctures and these shots. These are so fun. You guys, you can always get a hold of me on my website, maryjwhite.com. And all of this good stuff is going to be on the Green Revolution website and on their blog. So thank you for watching, and have some delicious mocktails. See you guys.